Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you how to create Coraline's other mom from the Coraline movie. You want to make sure that you actually get some buttons, and I did not have any buttons, or I could not find any black buttons for the eyes. So what I did is I made my own little buttons here, and I made these with some clay that my son had, and I molded them and then I let them dry overnight, and then I painted them with some black acrylic paint. And I can show you guys what I used. I actually bought this at Target. I'm not sure where else you can get it from, but it was only $3. And this is like a modeling clay, so it is super cheap. And it actually came with a few different colors, but my son, being creative, actually mixed all the colors together, so it became this grayish color. So what I did was I used a little ball of the clay here, so just really created a little ball, and I use parchment paper to lay the ball on, but I'll just use my little palette here so you guys can see. And I mean, you just want to roll it into like a nice little ball here, set it here, and then use a like top here and just squish it. And what it does is that it creates like a little dent in the middle, and then you can use anything to poke the holes. So I'm just using my comb here, and then voila. And what you can do is just leave them to dry overnight, and then once they are dry, you can just scoop them from the bottom and paint them black. I'm going to use the Elmer's glue stick here, and I'm going to use it on my eyebrows to help seal the eyebrows. And this is going to help give me a no eyebrow look for my Halloween look. And what you want to do is you want to just apply it all over the eyebrows here. Just make sure you're applying it upwards, and use a spoolie and just brush it in. And I like to keep it a little clean here on the edges. Apply a little bit more, and just because my hair is a little bit on the thicker side and it is darker, I'm applying a little bit more of the glue stick here. And you want to make sure you are brushing it up and also pressing it. So I'm going to use my makeup spatula here, and I'm going to press my eyebrows here. I'm going to use the white cream to start as my face base, and then I will use the black cream to create my dark lips and my eyebrows. And the great thing about the Danessa Myricks palette here is that the lid comes off, so you can use it as your makeup palette here. And I'm going to use a beauty blender to help distribute the white on my skin. I'm going to use the black from the palette here, and also use a little bit of white so I can mix a gray tone. So I've created um, the little cracks with my little eyeliner brush here, and you know, you just want to lightly create little cracks all over the face. And now I'm going to use a um, bronzer brush here, and I'm going to create some like contouring. Okay, and this will just help create that illusion of her skinny face. Okay, so for my hair, I'm going to clip it and remove all of this bottom area down here. I'm just going to like use some bobby pins and tie it in place, or you can just use a hair tie to keep it out of the way. I'm going to create a short bob with my hair. Since it is long, I'm removing all of that bottom area here. There we go. Make sure it's nice and tight. I'm going to use this top layer here and create that hair look. Alright, so I pulled my hair back, kind of like created a faux bob. And if you wanted to create some darker pieces with your hair, I'm gonna have some like highlights here. I'm just gonna take some of my hair color. I'm just gonna take some of my hair cream here and just put it on there. There we go. And you can wear a wig, or you can spray some color hairspray to your hair. Alright, now it's time to glue these on. And I'm like gluing them on the bottom and the top here. So that way I can still open my eyes and I can still see through these little holes. I have a pair just for you. Oh, Coraline. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.